My name is Mark, and yes, these kinds of video might feel cliché, but making one has always been a dream of mine. And wow, what a ride 2024 has been. If I had to sum it up in one word, it would be rise. This year I chose to rise above fear and doubt, to perfect my craft, push my limits, and discover more of who I really am. To step out into the world alone, not just to chase dreams, but to make them real. I started my year going to Senegal, a humble experience that my friends over Mapea Tu Viaje grant me. During 2 weeks, we drove around its uncharted territory. I flew to Sri Lanka to discover its timeless beauty, ancient temples, and document all my trip around the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. Then, I created my first long-piece YouTube video that I'm very proud of. After, I traveled to the modern streets of Tokyo with my friend Aldo. We enjoyed strolling around the bustling city, finding tradition and modernity in every corner. And trust me, what a filmmaker dream of a city. Move to the breathtaking islands of Indonesia, where volcanoes meet and touch beaches, and the spirit of the adventure thrives. I based myself in Lombok and discovered Sulawesi, Togian Islands, Pangai, and traveled through Java. My Indonesian visa ran out, and I spent a weekend immersed in the city's vibrant energy of Kuala Lumpur, where towering skyscrapers stood beside historic temples and bustling markets. Between the aroma of street food and the hum of diverse cultures, I found a rhythm that made the city unforgettable. In September, I spent 2 magical weeks in Sinai. We wandered through majestic canyons, trekked across the golden desert, and slept beneath a canopy of billions of stars. An unforgettable journey made even more special to my good friend Bea. Was truly one of the best adventures of my life. Flew to Thailand to capture the serene beaches and the gems that the country has to offer. From Bangkok to the northern border. And boy, what I found was priceless. I headed back to the northern roads of Vietnam to ride along the way the infamous Hajan Lu. Then I drove back to rediscover the corners of Hanoi and its surroundings. For 3 unforgettable weeks in the Philippines, my friends Albert, Angie, David, and I explored paradise together. From island hopping in Palawan, marveling at the stunning beauty of El Nido and Coron, to discovering the chocolate hills of Bohol. Every moment felt like a dream shared with family. But along the way, I discovered something deeper. It's not just about the places you go or the miles you cover. It's about the growth that happens along the way. It's about the moments you collect, the people you meet, and the connections that make every destination shine brighter. 2024 wasn't just a year, It was a transformation. It was my rise. It was a journey like no other.